Hi guys, so I'm finishing up my second version of Style Me's Madison cardigan, and hopefully you can see that. And I just really wanted to quickly do how to do a narrow hem that she suggests for the hemline of the cardigan, so along this part. So really quick, this is the raw edge. You can finish it or not, but you really don't need to for a narrow rolled hem. Fold it in. That's like my gauge. And I'm going to fold in that part and roll it like that. So I did this part. Just going to roll this in. That, pin it, and that's it. It's super simple. I love that she suggests to use this because it really will provide a clean finish. So I'm just doing a couple so you can see. And yeah, that's it. Super easy. So yeah, just wanted to pop in and do a quick how-to on that. Hope you like.